Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this lecture, I will explain the two very important reactions of alkenes. First is halohydration, second is epoxidation. What is halohydration? Actually, halo mean halogen, hydra mean water. The addition of halogen and water is called halohydration. But halogens and water react to form HCl plus HOCl. HOCl is called hypochlorous acid. HCl is stable, HOCl is not stable, it is reactive. Due to this reason, we can say that addition of hypohalous acid HOX is called halohydration. Addition of hypohalous acid is called halohydration. I will explain the addition of CH2 double bond CH2 plus Cl2 plus water. We should know that chlorine and water react to form HCl plus HOCl. So actually this is the addition of HOCl, which have two parts. One is OH, other is Cl. So I will complete this reaction. CH2 single bond CH2. In all addition reactions, double bond is converted into single bond. OH become attached with one carbon, Cl become attached with the second carbon. And side product will be HCl. We can attach OH to any carbon, Cl to any carbon because alkene is symmetrical. If we have unsymmetrical alkene, CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus Cl2 plus water, we can also add Br2 plus water. Now the problem is, which will be the product? How we can apply the Markovnikov's rule? Chlorine and water react to form HCl and HOCl, but again the question is, which part will be negative and which part will be positive? How we can decide? Generally two are negative. OH is negative, Cl is also negative, but oxygen is more electronegative as compared to chlorine. So OH is considered as negative part and Cl will be positive part. In this reaction, CH3 single bond CH OH single bond CH2 Cl, side product will be HCl. This is the final product. This is all about the halohydration. Examiner can take any alkene, ethene, propene, etc. This is the main concept. If alkene is symmetrical or unsymmetrical, we can complete the reaction by applying the Markovnikov's rule. Now I will explain The second reaction, which is the sixth reaction of alkene, epoxidation. Sixth reaction is epoxidation. Epoxidation means formation of epoxide. What is epoxide? There are different types of oxides. If oxygen atom is present between the two carbon in the form of triangle, then it is called epoxide. Formation of epoxide is called epoxidation. But question is, which reagent is used for epoxidation? I will explain this reaction by giving two examples. First is simple reaction CH2 double bond CH2. The reagent is C6H5 C double bond O, O and H. We should know that what is the name of this compound. Actually, if one oxygen is there, it is benzoic acid. Now there are two oxygen atoms in this acid, it is called peroxybenzoic acid. The second point is, this molecule is not so stable because oxygen and oxygen atoms, their electron pairs will repel. So it will lose one of the oxygen and this oxygen will be attached between the two carbon atoms. The product will be CH2 single bond CH2, this will be O and this will be O. This is the epoxide. Now remaining product is C6H5 C double bond O and OH, benzoic acid. So the question which can be taken from this part, what will happen when this alkene react with peroxybenzoic acid? We should know that what is the formula of peroxybenzoic acid. Benzoic acid is C6H5 C double bond O OH. Peroxy mean if one more oxygen is present, it is called peroxybenzoic acid. So I will take another example. CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2 plus C6H5 C double bond O and OH, O and O and H. Concept is same. It will lose one oxygen and this oxygen will become attached between the two carbon atoms. Our product will be CH3 single bond CH single bond CH2, this is the oxygen, and side product will be C6H5 C double bond O and OH, benzoic acid. This is all about the epoxidation. Now the question which can be taken from this part, what will happen when ethene, propene, 1-butene or 2-butene react with hypochlorous acid or hypobromous acid or aqueous chlorine or aqueous bromine or peroxybenzoic acid? We can solve all the questions. If any alkene is given, if symmetrical, then addition will take place in simple, according to simple rule. If unsymmetrical, then we will use the Markovnikov's rule. So these are the reactions of alkenes. Two reactions of alkenes, halohydration and epoxidation. Thank you.